Here doing bills, watching Custom Life. If you haven't checked this guy's channel out, you need to. It's pretty badass. You get to travel around the country with him, going to different shows. Kind of like me, but he does a lot more shows. So shout out to Custom Life right there. I'm not getting paid for that. I just like the channel. So yeah, I'm trying to get this done. I've got a little bit of yard work to do, and then hopefully I can get on the Ranger a little bit this evening. See how the day goes. But for now, gotta pay bills and watch some trucks.
There's a ton of people here.
Check this place out. This is the new car wash place that just came up. They got a drive-through spot on the other side. It washes the car, and then you bring it over here, and they got this conveyor belt, and they do everything right through here. Pretty crazy. Where you live, you probably got one, but this is our first one here. As you can see, preparing to go have a good night. No, I didn't work on the Ranger. No, I didn't do anything in the garage. What I did was I went to Walmart and I got I loaded up on a whole bunch of food, because next weekend we're having a party. I'm gonna make street tacos, and so that's what's going on right now. Is my brother-in-law's having a party at his house, so I guess we're gonna go over there and film some of that and have a good time tonight. I gotta go to work first thing in the morning. Gina's gotta go to work first thing in the morning, so we're planning on staying there for the night and just having a good time. So that's where we're headed. Mom's ahead of me in her car. Gina's at work. She gets off work at 7, so she'll be on her way over there just as soon as she gets out of work. So, yeah, we're gonna do it up. We're gonna do it up and then try to make it to work tomorrow. Ah, yes! Let's go have a good time. Got that new trailer vibe. Woo! And yeah, I hate to say it, I didn't get anything done. And I didn't even go to the party. Well, I went to the party, hung out for a little bit, and I was feeling tired. I ended up coming back home. Me and my wife just sat around, watched a little bit of YouTube, and chilled out together. It was a nice weekend. Got to spend time with my family. Look at this trailer. Brand new. Bam. I don't even have no dirt on it yet. Woo! Woo! Look at that. Well, I'll try to put this little video together next weekend. I'm back on it, but we've got the party next weekend that we're doing with the street tacos and having a good time with that. So I promise I will get on that truck next weekend. If I get home during the week, then I'll end up doing that. I'll end up getting a little bit done during the week as well. So we'll just see how the week goes. Hopefully I can get home a little bit during the week. Maybe get a few hours in on it, get some work done. So other than that, me and April bid you adieu. Right, April? She's like, come here. Follow me on Snapchat. Follow me on Instagram, EarthScraper69. Lawrence Falcon Duarte on Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next video. I will do a midweek video recap of what's going to happen during the weekend and anything else that happens during the week. I'll have a little sit down and talk. Get back on schedule with this. So, all right, heading out.